I also attended a panel, which was a great opportunity to speak to other business leaders and also get feedback from the market.
So my name's Tanya Bailey. I'm a segment marketing manager at Schneider Electric. It's our third time here at our event. Continues to be better than ever.
Hi there, my name is Fergal O'Hare. I'm the Software Engineering Director at IMR. It's great to see some vendors here that we're working with, some partners. The new technology that has come along in the last 12 months since we were last here.
There's lots of manufacturers here, a real range of people we've spoken to today and yesterday. Nice flow through of people has been really good. And yeah, we've had a great show, thank you.
Got lots of meetings, and we're definitely going to be back again next year, so thanks to everyone involved in organising.
We've had a great show this year. We've met some new potential customers and formed new relationships which we hope will develop into something special.
We found the show to be very effective, meeting our existing and new potential clients, engaging with them on all different industries related to food, engineering, manufacturing, food and drink, and overall our experience has been brilliant. Thank you for having us, guys.